Google Assistant is outdated and Google is about to replace it with Gemini AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and run Gemini on your Android phone. So the first thing that you need to do is that you have to open Google Play Store on your phone, and after that search for an app called Gemini. And of course, to get Gemini, you have to install Gemini. And after that, install the app called Google Gemini and make sure that it is from Google LLC, because I have seen many clone apps similar to Gemini, but be sure that you are installing the one from Google LLC. And after that, just wait for the app to be installed and we can open the app later. Alright, now let's tap open. And immediately it will tell you to switch away from Google Assistant to Gemini. You'll see that a few things that Gemini can do. Just tap switch, and after that it will tell you about what Gemini is capable of and also a few things that Gemini can access when you are using it. You can read all the info if you want to, but you can also just tap use Gemini. And after that you can start using Gemini. Let me send my first message, actually not my first, but let's pretend that this is my first message. What is the latest AI news today? And send a message. And of course, the benefit of using Gemini is that it is connected to the internet. It can give you more personalized answer, and also it is connected or integrated with other Google tools like Google Drive, Gmail, Google Docs, etc. And it will improve your productivity a lot. And also, you can use Gemini the same way you're using Google Assistant. So you can press and hold the home key on your Android phone, and it will trigger Gemini at the bottom area of your screen, and you can talk to it, and you can have a live conversation with Gemini. So you can use it to brainstorm or maybe give you some ideas or some discussion about any subject. So that's basically how you can switch away from Google Assistant to Gemini AI on your Android phone. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.